Collect more proof on Skool. I have been on Skool for 2 years, and I've worked with a community making 250K a month, which had 100K plus members. I've made ads for Skool. I was a modern schoolers, scaled another community to 30K a month. And one of the biggest mistakes I see people making is just not collecting proof. Now, the reason for that is because if you go to Mr. Mosey's value equation, for example, then you have the top part, which is the likelihood of outcome multiplied by the dream outcome, right? So proof is basically the only way, without doing free work for somebody or some sort of content, of basically convincing them that you can deliver what you say you can deliver, right? They also talk about this in the recent Skool news. And if you look at somebody else in the info space making like 40 million, made 40 million so far, 10 million a year, I think, at this point. Whenever you look at his pitches, there is like a solid minute or two where he literally just goes through proof. That's it. He has like a proof wall. It just scrolls. And he just does that. So that is the importance of proof. And you can use websites like proofworth.com, which is a website being built by my friend, which I'm going to have a conversation with coming this week. And one of the easiest ways to implement this, honestly, is just have a wins category in your community. Just have a wins category. It's huge. And then you can ask for specific stuff after that. But for the start, just have a wins category and you're chilling. And then you can put down your about page. You can put it everywhere. Okay. Goodbye.